Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share another fascinating episode with you today. As we embark on this journey through the cosmos, let's start with a story that's out of this world, literally. Scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery about a type of exoplanet known as Sub-Neptunes, using data from the James Webb Space Telescope. These planets are similar in size to Neptune, but orbit other stars, and researchers have been eager to learn more about their composition and formation. A team of astronomers has recently published a study in the astrophysical journal Letters, revealing that one particular sub-Neptune, called TOI 421b, has an atmosphere dominated by hydrogen. This is a surprising finding, as previous observations suggested that sub-Neptunes might have atmospheres composed of heavier molecules. But what's even more intriguing is that TOI 421b's atmosphere seems to be similar in composition to its host star. Imagine taking the same gas that makes up a star and placing it on top of a planet's atmosphere, but at a much cooler temperature. That's essentially what we're seeing with TOI 421b. This raises interesting questions about how these planets form and evolve, and whether they might be more similar to the giant planets in our own solar system than previously thought. The James Webb Space Telescope has been instrumental in making this discovery, and it's a testament to the powerful capabilities of this orbiting observatory. By studying the light that passes through TOI 421b's atmosphere, scientists can infer the presence of different gases and gain insights into the planet's composition. As we continue to explore the universe and discover new worlds, we're reminded of just how much we still have to learn about the formation and evolution of planetary systems. The study of exoplanets like TOI 421b is an exciting area of research that can help us better understand our place in the cosmos and the potential for life beyond Earth. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. I'm your host, Carl, and we're diving into the fascinating world of meteor showers. You know, those breathtaking displays of celestial fireworks that paint the night sky with fleeting streaks of light. Today, we're going to explore one of the most spectacular shows in the astronomical calendar, the Eta Aquariids. Now, you might be wondering what makes this particular meteor shower so special. Well, my curious listeners, it's because the Eta Aquariids are caused by Earth passing through the debris trail left behind by none other than Halley's Comet. That's right, the same comet that has been a harbinger of wonder and awe for centuries is responsible for this dazzling display. Imagine, if you will, tiny fragments of rock and dust shed by Halley's Comet hundreds of years ago, hurtling through space at incredible speeds. As they enter our atmosphere, they burn up, leaving behind glowing trails that we call meteors. It's a truly mesmerizing sight, and one that has captivated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. According to Dr. Rebecca McElroy, an astrophysicist from the University of Southern Queensland, the Eta Aquariids are best seen from the southern hemisphere, where the shower will rise in the pre-dawn, darkened sky. In Australia, for example, every state and territory will be able to witness this display, with areas having the lowest light pollution offering the greatest visibility. So, if you're an early riser or willing to brave the cold, grab a blanket, head outside, and get ready to witness the Eta Aquariids in all their glory. Just remember to check the weather forecast, turn off any external lights, and give your eyes about 10 to 20 minutes to adjust to the night sky. And don't forget to download apps like Star Mapper or Stellarium to help you locate the constellation of Aquarius, where the meteors will appear. As Dr. McElroy so eloquently put it, a meteor shower is great, but we are blessed with fantastic skies in Australia, especially in the winter. So, come for the meteors, stay for the Milky Way, and who knows what other celestial wonders you might discover. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to bring your attention to a fascinating story that highlights the intersection of space exploration and the Earth's atmosphere. You might recall that in the early days of space travel, launching satellites and probes into orbit was a complex and often unpredictable endeavor. One such mission, Kosmos 482, launched by the Soviet Union in 1972, has recently made headlines due to its unexpected return to Earth. This spacecraft, originally intended for a mission to Venus, never quite reached its destination due to a malfunction during launch. Instead of escaping Earth's gravity, it remained in orbit, slowly making its way back towards our planet over the decades. Now, according to recent calculations, Kosmos 482 is predicted to re-enter Earth's atmosphere on May 12th, although some estimates suggest it could happen as early as May 10th. What makes this event particularly intriguing is not just the spacecraft's origins or its impending return, but also the insights it offers into the broader issue of space debris. As we've discussed in previous episodes, the number of objects in low Earth orbit has increased dramatically over the years, posing a range of challenges for future space missions and raising concerns about safety. The story of Kosmos 482 serves as a reminder that even though the odds of it causing harm are low, given the vastness of our oceans and uninhabited lands, the potential risks associated with space debris are very real. It's not just about this one spacecraft. It's about the thousands of pieces of junk orbiting our planet, remnants of missions past and present. As we look to the future of space exploration, stories like that of Kosmos 482 underscore the importance of responsible and sustainable practices in space travel. Whether it's through designing satellites that burn up safely in the atmosphere, or implementing strategies to mitigate the impact of rocket parts and other debris, the challenge of managing our orbital environment is one that requires careful consideration and cooperation on a global scale. As we close this episode of Star. I invite you to reflect on the awe-inspiring complexity of our universe and the delicate balance of our planet within it. From the missions that dare to explore the unknown to the challenges of preserving the beauty and safety of our cosmic neighborhood, every story we share is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.